Hello, this is Sonia from My Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. Today we are releasing November's memory verses or memory verse. This is a little bit of a different one because, as we know, we are busy with a rest week, and by the time we are actually going to start memorizing in November, it is almost November is done. And as I said before, our summer holiday in South Africa is sort of end of November, December till beginning of January, so more or less 6 weeks. So yeah, I just want to take also a nice break during this time. So I've decided we're just going to memorize one verse in November, and this is going to be a freebie. So this is a beautiful verse which I've never came across. It's let us come into his presence with thanksgiving. Let us make a joyful noise to him with songs of praise. So it's a beautiful Psalm 94, 5 verse 2. And then I just got a few little elements which you can document it if you want to make a Bible journal entry, if you want to document it in your book, if you want to make a faith text card, whatever you want to do, you can use this. So I hope it's okay. As I said, it's going to be free. I'm going to put it on my Ko-fi account, I will put it to 0, but it also just gives you the option to put it to 0. So just put it to 0 and then it'll be a freebie. If you unfortunately, Etsy, I don't really want to, Etsy is just giving me grief. I constantly have to pay money for them. And obviously I can't make it for free there. It needs to be, the transaction fee needs to be included. So I'm going to put it on Ko-fi. So yeah. So I hope you enjoy it. Do with what you want. Memorize it. If you don't want to memorize, that's fine. Also, if you've never memorized with me this year and you want to start now, this is maybe a good way to start, and then you can pick it up next year if you feel like doing it. So yeah, I hope you enjoy that. And it will be a blessing to you. And yeah, I'll link all the details down below for you. God bless. Bye-bye.